Hello students, in this video I'm going to share you some tips that how to make your answer sheet presentable in board exam. Students, believe it, it will really work in your board exam. So without wasting your time, let's begin the video. Number one and important, underline each heading or subheading included in the answer. Number two, increase the pictographic content wherever possible by including as many diagrams, tables, charts, etc. as possible. It will help to make your knowledge more noticeable and visible than representing it theoretically. Number third, try to write most of the answer in points or bullets with the properly highlighted headers and subheaders. Make the important points highlighted and underlined. Number four, write the answer in a legible writing and try to maintain the same throughout the paper so as to make your answer look uniform and appealing. Number five, whenever you need to cut a word or an answer, just make one dash line with your pen. Avoid scribbling or scratching as it will make your answer sheet look messy and unclean. Number six, write the questions number properly. It should be clearly visible. Number seven, write each answer with the properly spaced words which are neither too close nor too far away. Students, believe it, if you follow the particular points, answer sheet presentable will be very good and definitely you will get a good marks.